Hello teachers, my name is Carla Calderon. I want to share with you guys this back to school activity using Seesaw. Let me show you how it works. This is how the students will add their picture. They will click on the camera and decide either they take the picture, add a video, or they have a picture already saved. Now to add their name, they will click on the T so that way they can type it in and then they just drag it to the line. Your students can click on the T to type in their answers. On this slide, the student can type, draw, or take a picture to answer. Something I forgot to say is that they can also record their voice by clicking on the mic. And this is the last page. Something new in Seesaw is the link option, in which I link every page, although it's not necessary since the kids can just move to the next page. If you like this activity, make sure you look at the description of this video, in which you will find the link to this file that has the activity from pre-K to 6. For my bilingual teachers, I also have this activity in Spanish. Find the grade level that you want and click on the link, and it will take you directly to the activity. And to add it to your collection, don't forget to click on the heart. In case you don't have Seesaw, I also have this activity on Google Slides, so that way you can share it on your Google Classroom or Canvas. Make sure you check that video. I hope you guys like this activity. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.